going on, people? It's your brother Conscious Black, man. Back again with another short, man. Look, I did something real crazy today. Man, I hope y'all ready for this, man. Hope y'all don't shame me for this. Y'all ready for this? I washed dishes for the first time in about 10 years. I don't know why I did that. Now I'm at the park contemplating life with my boy, contemplating with me. Contemplating life right now. Man, I don't know what I just got myself into. That's tough. Patience is power, man. Until next time. Peace.